homework. I hope I gave you a homework, right? In the last class? Yeah, Nifal has done the homework. But who else have done the homework? Prakash, Sanjaja, homework. Keshia, Sasha, Nadira, what about you? Okay, then let's okay. Now one by one, okay, share your screen and show the results, okay? So we'll start from Nifal. Okay. Nifal first நான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து permission தரேன். I'll make you as the co-host so you can share the screen. One by one we'll just okay. Now Nifal, I think you can share the screen. Very good. Okay. Very good, very good. Well done, huh? Well done, Nifal. Okay, fine. So now let's make Keshia. Have you done? Zainab?
No, miss.
No. Why
Miss,
is that?
because last class I missed the class, miss. That's why I don't know.
Don't you have the recording?
No, miss.
Okay. So Nadir, I'll make you as the co-host then. You can share the screen. Okay. Now Nadira can share the screen. Ijaz Ahmad, have you done the homework, son? Keisha has not done. Nadira, Nifal.
Excuse me, miss.
Yeah.
Miss, when I have the personal issues from the desktop because I have no any computers or laptop, so that's why I don't have any idea
Access
how
to.
to do. Yeah, miss. Nobody's helped me, so that's why I can't do the work.
You can install the word operation in your phone itself, Rukuta.
Ah, okay, miss.
Yeah, Office package is available in the Play Store, so you just go and install it into your phone, okay?
Okay,
Even though
miss.
if you don't have the computer or laptop, you just get it download in your phone, okay?
Okay, miss. Okay, thank you, miss.
Well done. Nadira, you can share the screen, dear. Mohammed, what about you? Have you done the homework?
Yes,
Sinjacha.
teacher.
Okay. Then what about Nadira? Nadira, will you be able to share the screen or what? I'll make Mohammed as the co-host. You share the screen, Puta. And Aris, what about you? Priyanka, those who have done the homework, please let me know. Then I'll make you as the co-host. So you just share the screen, okay? Good morning. Yeah, Prakash, you, Pulasti, you also can share the screen, okay? I'll make you as the co-host soon after Mohammed shares his screen. What happened? Guys, I have made you as co-host. Okay, I'll make Pulasti as the co-host then. Okay, Priyanka. You just go through the recording, okay? If it is your first class. Very good, very good. Okay, well done. Well done, Plasti. Great job. I just wanted to give you this homework just because then you will get the practice of this splitting the columns, and then when you are like merging the column, so all those operations are there, right, in the formatting. So I just want you to do practice on it. That's why I ask you to do that. Okay, Nadira, share your screen. Okay. So Nadira, in what you have done this, dear? Phone or your laptop? Dear? It's your phone, right? Yeah. So here, look at this, Buddha. So those who said that that you don't have a computer or laptop, so Nadira also have done it in the phone. So you guys also can get it download into your phone and just do it in the document. Okay. So that's the thing. You can't just tell reasons. Okay. Don't always try to tell reasons, because if you're learning, then there should be a way to figure it out, isn't it? මොනවාර එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ නේද කොහොම හරි ඒක කරගන්නනේ. ඒකට බලන්න ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මේකේ ෆෝන් එකේ කරන්න software එක තියෙනවා. එතකොට ඔයාලට install කරන්න ඒකෙන් පුළුවන් ඔයාලට මේ විදියට හදා ගන්න. හරි වෙන කවුද ඉන්නේ? Who else have done? Prakash. Prakash நீங்களும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. Okay. Why is that, Muhammad? I have made you as co-host. Well done, Prakash. Very good, very neat, very good. Great, great job. Okay. So Prakash has done, Nadira, most of you have done very good. Well done. I'm really happy. Okay. Okay, Buddha. Thank you. Then Muhammad can share the screen. Okay. Colorful, right? It's looking okay. Okay. Language. Okay. Very good. Very good. Mohammed, great. Fine. Okay, then. So most of you have done the homework. Very good. Well done. So keep it up. So I'll be expecting the same from the other classes as well. Okay. So continuing classes, I'll be giving more homeworks, and I just want you to do the homeworks and share it with me like this. Okay. Very good. So then today we'll get started with the new chapter which we are about to learn today. So we are learning the ribbon sections, right? Ribbon කියන්නේ මොනවාද, ribbon tabs කියන්නේ මොනවාද කියලා තමයි ඉගෙනගෙන ඉන්නේ. එන நாங்க ribbon னு சொன்னா என்ன, ribbon sections தான் நாங்க ஒவ்வொன்றா படிச்சு கொண்டிரோம். So this file, home, insert, design, all these are known as what, Sputa? Those are known as ribbon tabs. Okay. So under each of these tabs, what you have, the ribbon section. Even in the ribbon section, you have like categories. Okay. So inserting page is there. Okay. Page, cover pages can be inserted. Blank pages can be inserted. You can break even a page, inserting another new page. And then we learned tables. That's what I gave you the homework as well, isn't it? So we learned table where you can add manually table through here. You have to select the number of columns in the row, then it will get automatically added into your document. So that's how you insert a table. But in case if you need more columns or more what we can say rows, then what you can do, go to this insert table section. නේද? ඒක මම last class එකේ කියලා දුන්න එකක්. insert table කියන මේ section එකට ගියාම මේ වගේ window එකක් pop up වෙනවා. ඒකෙදි ඔයාලට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් number of columns කීයක්ද ඕනේ, number of rows කීයක්ද ඕනේ කියලා. Get it? So once after you gave the number of column and the rows value over here, then okay කියලා click කරාම automatically it will be created in the screen. It will get created like this. And then you have to know, Puta, now look at when you are not selecting the table. Okay, now we have inserted a table with 2 rows and 5 columns. But see, now I have just pressed the key, like cursor out of the table, right? I mean, එළිය තමයි තියෙන්නේ දෙතුල නෙවෙයි මම මේකේ දෙතුල select කරලා නැහැ. It's currently yeah, just out. Then ඔයාට බලන්න පුළුවන් now in the ribbon tab section, file, home, insert, design and up to view is available. But there is no more tabs, isn't it? But when you select the table, you will be able to see another section called table tools. Under the table tools, you have a design section and then the layout section, isn't it? So we learned what is the design section, where you can like drop down this menu and you can select a design for the table like this, isn't it? So those are under the design tab. Okay. And then when you get back to the layout section, you can insert below, like rows can be inserted, columns can be inserted. Likewise, we learned all these stuffs. Then only after learning this, I gave you the homework, isn't it? මම මේක කියලා දුන්නට පස්සේ තමයි මේ split cell ඒ වගේම split table කියන්නේ මොනවාද, merge cell කියන්නේ මොනවාද, මෙහෙම එකක්ම අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා. Okay, so I just taught you everything. Now you guys know how to split a cell, merge a cell and then insert another new like column into the right side. නේද? අලුතින් column එකක් අපි දැන් මෙතන පහක් තියෙනවා. අලුතින් ඔයාලට තව එකක් add කරගන්න ඕනේ කියලා හිතමුකෝ. දැන් මම මේක select කරන්නම් the entire table. Let's get back to the design and then border style එකට යන් thick border එකක් අපි add කරගමු. Not only for one side, for all border demo. So you will be able to see all the columns and the rows like precisely. So here we are in the design section, but when you get back to the table tools layout section, you will be able to see these insert above, below, all these stuffs, right? Then make it insert right කියලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒක නිකන් හිතනකෝ මේ column එකට පස්සේ තව අලුතින් insert කරන්න ඕනේ column එකක් කියලා. So when you click, then another new column will get added like this. Okay, when you click below, then another table, another row will get added below whatever the row that you have selected. Okay, number of rows can be added. Now see, if I just select all these 3 rows and insert below the number, another 3 rows will get added like this. Am I clear? Again like this. Got it? I hope it is clear. ඒ වගේ තමයි අපිට ඕන විදියට මේ මොනවාද row set කරගෙන යන්නේ, එහෙමත් නැත්නම් column set කරගෙන යන්නේ in what? Under the layout section. And then there is something called auto fit කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. Auto fit concept. Okay, we'll just keep this for now and then we'll height එක මම කියලා දෙන්නම්. මේක හරි, මේක මම ඔයාලට පස්සේ කියලා දෙන්නම්. Height එක කියලා කියන්නේ, now for just assume that if you wanted to apply a height for this particular table and the width, okay, ඒ කියන්නේ height එකත් width එකත් ඔයා precisely දෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා හිතමුකෝ. එක්ක ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මෙතන ගිහින් මෙහෙම මේ row එක click කරලා you can just resize the table, isn't it? So that can be done through this. මේ තියෙන්නේ in this corner you have something like a small box, right? So keep your cursor there, then your cursor would turn into something like this, like a arrow kind of thing. Then what you do, just click on it and then move the table. ඒ විදිහට ඔයාලට මේ වගේ move කරන්න පුළුවන්. But when you get back here, මේකේ තියෙනවා height and width එක මොනවාද කියලා ඔයාලට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. The selected rows height and width can be changed through this. ඒක ඔයාලට manually කරන්න පුළුවන් like this. Okay, when you keep your cursor in between these two lines, like when you are selecting the line, your cursor would turn into something like this, like as you can see. Okay, so you can just change the size like this. Okay, ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මේ වගේ size එක change කරගන්න column එකක් නැත්නම් row එකක්. දැන් හිතන්න column එකක් size එක change කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා. So then you can just keep your cursor in between the row and then just here, even one row also can be moved like this. Okay, so the entire row also can be moved if you just double click on it and then just move the line, then it will get moved. Okay, only that one. like this. So at the same time, here when you get back over here, okay, මෙතනින් ඔයාට පුළුවන් distance එක height එක කීයක්ද ඕනේ, ඒ වගේම width එක කීයක්ද ඕනේ කියලා මෙතනින් ඔයාට ඒක size resize කරගන්න. Okay, like this. Am I clear? Okay, that can be done manually or else from the ribbon tab. I'll undo everything because I don't want these modifications to be done. Then hari. ඒ වගේම distribute column and rows එකත් අපි බලමු. And then for now I'll be teaching the main stuff that is needed. හරිද? දැන් අපිට ගොඩාක් දේවල් ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙනවානේ. Word ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙනවා, PowerPoint ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙනවා, Excel ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙනවා, and then Access also maybe sometimes you might need to learn that as well. So if I try to teach you each and everything in the in the screen or else in the tab, then it would take more time. හරිද? එතකොට අපිට වෙලාවට ඒක ඉවර කරගන්න අමාරු වෙයි. Okay. And what I will be doing is all the needed stuffs. Okay, right. Much more important things තියෙනවනේ. There in the Word Puta, if you take even Word or PowerPoint or whatever it is, there are things that they have repeatedly give it for like 2-3 times. හරිද? දැන් ඔයාලටම බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් මෙතන draw කියලා option එකක් තියෙනවා, insert කියලා option එකක් තියෙනවා. Likewise, the same option has been given in 2-3 ways. Even if you go get back to the insert, you have the same thing. Insert table, insert draw table කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. So the same thing has been given over here as well. Understood? Likewise, there are few things which has been repeatedly given again and again. So those things I won't repeat again and again because එකම දේ අපි repeat කරගෙන ගියා කියලා වැඩක් නැහැ නේද? ඉතින් මම ඔයාලට important කියලා හිතන දේවල්. Okay, so the things which is really important and which is getting again and again repeated, I won't repeat it again, but the things which is really important will be taught to you. Okay, fine. Then බලන්න මෙතන තව section එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ cell sizing කියන section එක තමයි මේක. So here you can do all the cell sizing. Cells means what, like each cell, isn't it? These are known as cells. Okay, එක cell එකක්. මේකට අපි කියනවා එක cell එකක් කියලා නේද? So now what am I going to do is I'll just type something over here. We'll just type test1 කියලා මෙතන, and then මෙතන තමන් test2 කියලා type කරන්නම්, and then we'll just type test3 over here. Again we'll type test4 over here, and let's type test5 over here. So we have test 5s. Okay, we have just typed text in 5 cells, isn't it? අපි 5 cells select කරලා ඒ පහෙන්ම අපි මොනවද කරලා තියෙන්නේ? text type කරලා තියෙනවා. then මම මේ table එකම select කරගත්තා. I have selected the entire table. How you can select it? Just go here, and then here when can you see the plus kind of thing is there on the left side top corner. Then click on it. Then the entire table will get selected. Now what am I going to do is increasing the text size. Okay, in the home tab. බලන්න home tab එකට ගිහින් text size එක increase කරගත්තා. Then all the text, whatever the text that I have typed in these cells, the size of it got increased, isn't it? விளங்கிச்சா? இப்போ இந்த ஒவ்வொன்றையும் size வந்து பெருசாவே இருக்குது. text 5 மட்டும் இருக்குது. Okay, fine. Now let's get back to the layout. And over here, Puta, as you can see, they have given the alignment. ඔයාගේ text alignment එක කොහොමද තියෙන්නේ ඕනේ කියලා. left side top corner ද නැත්නම් center top ද නැත්නම් බලන්න. You have to select the entire table, or else if you just select one particular table, for example, I'll make the table bigger like this and I'll show you. Now see, ඔයා එක table එකක් නැත්නම් හිතමුකෝ එක cell එකක්. දැන් table එක මේකනේ. එක cell එකක් select කරලා ඔයා alignment එක දුන්නා නම් only for that cell the alignment would get applied. விளங்கிச்சா? ஒரே ஒரு செல்லை மட்டும் நீங்க செலக்ட் பண்ணி அதுக்கான அந்த alignment text எங்க கீக்கணும்னு நீங்க சொன்னீங்கன்னா அது அந்த டெக்ஸ்ட்டுக்கு மட்டும் தான் அப்ளை ஆகும். The other text will not be it won't get affected to the other text. See, for an example, I'll teach you. Now if I select this cell, the particular cell which is test2, and alignment එක අපි දෙමු center top කියලා. බලන්න like this. Okay, left right top. Okay, මේ වගේ. ඒ වගේම middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. මේ වගේ. Okay, but whatever that I applied, the alignment which I applied right now only got applied to what? To the test2 field, only to this cell, isn't it? Even if I just kept it in the center, it will be in the center only in this one. But then what happened to, what about the others? Test3, test4, test5 මේ හැම එකකටම මොනවද කරන්නේ? For that what you do, entire table එකම select කරන්න, ගිහින් ඔයාට ඕන විදියට මේ වගේ alignment එක දෙන්න. එතකොට තමයි හැම text එකක්ම මේ විදියට center වලට එන්නේ. නැත්නම් ඔයාට ඕන තැනකට ඔයාට alignment එක කරන්න පුළුවන්. Am I clear? මේක තේරුණාද? අපි මේක ටක් ගාලා ඉවර කරන්න ඕනේ because insert එකේ table එක විතරයි. Now still we are in the table, we have to learn all the other tools as well. Okay, so it's clear, right? Alignment එක. Then text direction කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. This also can be changed. Now upside down ඒ වගේ එකක්. හරි? දැන් බලන්න text direction එක ඔයාට කොහොමද ඕනේ මේ විදියට. Okay, upside down ඔයාට දාන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාට ඕන විදියට. ඒ වගේ text size direction එක change කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම cell margin කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. cell margin කියලා කියන්නේ I'll show you in the paint. Well, and margin කියන්නේ මොනවද කියලා you have to understand first. Okay, you have to understand what is margin. Then you will be able to understand this cell margin. So when you take an object or something පුතා, ඉතින් හිතන්නකෝ ඔයාගේ මේස උඩින් phone එකක් තියෙනවා නැත්නම් පොතක් තියෙනවා කියලා. And then this, assume this is the table. Okay, so the gap that you have in between these two, the table and the book or else the phone, is known as margin. So we call this as margin right left. Okay, left කියලා කියනවා margin top, margin right, margin bottom. Okay, අර gap එක, the thing. Okay, now if you get that here, if you just have a look in at that in the document, then මෙතන මේක තමයි file එක නේද? The behind that you have the white background document. In the middle you have the table. Then අපි මොනවද කරන්නේ නම් table එක තමයි object එකක් විදිහට තියෙන්නේ නේද? එතකොට මෙතනටත් තියෙන අර margin එක තමයි left margin. Top and the bottom, the table have these, there is a gap in between these, right? That is known as top margin. So the right side and the table have another margin, so that is known as right margin. And the bottom of the document and the table has a margin gap, that is known as bottom margin. Then අපි බලමු table එක select කරලා, okay, table එකම select කරලා වාට පුළුවන් මේ විදිහට cell margin එකට යන්න, and then you can give how much you should have the top margin, bottom margin kiyada, left margin kiyada කියලා ඔයාට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, so for an example, make a cell margin. Cell margin කියලා කියන්නේ for each cell you can give a margin. Okay, then අපි table එකට margin එකක් දෙන්න, but for the cells, okay, then make test3 කියලා තියෙනවනේ මේ text එක. I just wanted to have margin in between this line here. Now test is something which is in the middle of this cell, right? So we have to I just wanted to have gap in between the start point of this left side of this cell and the text. Okay, මේ දෙකටම gap එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. For that what you do, go to cell margin and then top එකෙන් ඉඳලා කීයක්ද? For an example, if I give just 10, then see you will have gap 10 over there. Okay, top 10 එකක් තියෙනවා. Still I didn't apply the okay button, right? So bottom එක 10 demo. Now if I press okay, see how big it has been become. Cells. Okay, all the cells has got applied 10 margin from the bottom and top. So if I just give one and then one bottom, now let's check. So it's something like this. Yeah, am I clear? උඩ එක pixel එකක් ඒ වගේම පල්ලයට එක, it's like centimeter wise. Okay, margin කියන්නේ ඒකට. හරිද? Now if you want you can give even the what, yeah, now even you can resize it by yourself. Okay, you don't need to give it like that as well. You can just resize it by yourself if you need. If not, you can go here to cell margin and margin එකක් apply කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාලට මේක තේරුණාද? Did you understand this cell margin? Margin is something where you can give apply the like gaps. Okay, ඔයාට පුළුවන් ඕනේ නම් මේ විදියට ඔයාට manually කරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. If not, what you do, go to cell margin and then do it by yourself. Okay, so I hope you got the idea behind the cell margin, text direction, and then the alignment. Okay, ඒ විදියටම තව එකක් තියෙනවා short කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. So when you come to the short text type එක, okay, text type එක මේක නම් දැනට okay අපි මේක කියමු. Formulas, okay, as you guys know, formulas මොනවාද apply කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා මෙතනින් ඔයාලට search කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, text has, if you wanted to convert a text into something else, okay, මේ දැන් බලන්නකො මේ text එක දැන් test 5 කියලා තියෙන text එක, if you wanted to change it into like a table into text something kind of thing, okay, that also can be done. Commas, if you just press okay, then here commas වලට change වෙනවා. Table will get changed into commas. Okay, like that. That is not much more needed. Okay, you just wanted to get the idea behind these layouts and designs. Okay, table එකක් add කරාම ඒකටම එන මේ වගේ additional tools එහෙමත් නැත්නම් categories ගැන දැනගත්තා නම් ඇති. Okay, so the main categories that you have to know in under this layout section is draw, and row and column is must, and then merge is also must, and then resizing, that also like manually you can do, so that is not much must. Okay, and then alignment is bit must, and then data එක ඔයාට ඕන විදියට ඒක change කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, for now it is not much needed. Okay, we'll keep it as it is, and then let's move to the insert tab. Then ඔයාලට table එකක් insert කරන්නේ කොහමද? ඒකට ඕන දේවල් insert අලුතින් insert කරන දේවල් ඔක්කොම දැන් ඔයාලට දන්නවා. So I hope you are clear with the table inserting. Now let's move to the next thing. Okay, next insert option, which is picture. For that I am going to add another blank page. Okay, alutin blank page එකක් මේ විදිහට add කරගත්තා. Okay, hope it is clear. Now what we going to do is පුතා insert tab එකෙන් ඉඳලා අලුතින් picture එකක් insert කරන්න තමයි යන්නේ. Okay, so you know how to insert a table. Then අපි මොනවද කරන්න යන්නේ? Picture එකක් add කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා බලමු. So when you click on this pictures option, okay, pictures කියලා තියෙනව නේද button එකක් වගේ. So when you click on it, it will open you a window like this. Insert pictures කියලා. So you can go to the desktop or wherever you have the picture and select the picture from the desktop or the folder, and you just insert it into the document. Okay, okay dunnama it will get inserted into the document. Okay, like this, just a picture. Then what ඕනේ නම් මේක resize කරගන්න පුළුවන් like this. Okay, so keep your cursor on at the corner එකේ ඔයාගේ cursor එක තියන්න like this, and then you will be able to resize it like this. ලොකු කරන්න පුළුවන්, පොඩි කරන්න පුළුවන්. You can even resize the width and the height. Width එක විතරක් ඔයාට මේ විදියට resize කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා හිතමුකෝ. ඒක විතරක් ඔයාට adjust කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. Height එක විතරක් මේ වගේ adjust කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා හිතමු. ඒකත් ඔයාට මේ විදියට කරගන්න පුළුවන් using these dots. Okay, මේ තියෙන්නේ like in all the borders you have around the border you have dots, isn't it? Like top corners, all these are having dots. So when you click on it and just drag, the picture will get resized. Okay, I hope it is clear. ඒ වගේම ඔයා picture එකක් insert කරපු ගමන්ම, as you guys know, insert මේ මොනවාද ribbon tabs කියලා section එකක් තියෙනවනේ. In that additionally another tab will get added, which is known as pictures tool, which is format. Okay, format කියලා අලුතින් මේ වගේ section එකක් add වෙනවා. Okay, so we gonna learn what are the things that is there in the format section. One by one we'll go through. Before that I just wanted to make sure that ඔයාට දැන් මේක තේරුණානේ. insert එකට යනවා, pictures වලට යනවා, pictures වලින් ගිහින් අලුතින් මොනාරි image එකක් download කරලා තියෙනවා නම් you select the image and insert it into the document. That's it. And then පුතා when you, if as you can see now image has been added like this. I'll resize the image a little bit smaller. Then බලන්න උඩ මේ වගේ මේ like it's like circle එකක් වගේ තියෙනවා නේද with the arrow. What is that? The use of this is just to rotate the picture. If you wanted to rotate the picture, you can easily use this and rotate it. Okay, I hope that is also clear. Then අපි යමු format එකට. Select the image then you will be able to see something called picture tools. சரியா? நீங்க image ஒன்று insert பண்ணினதுக்கு போற format ன்னு சொல்லி ஒரு picture tools format ன்னு சொல்லி ஒரு option ஒன்று add ஆகும். So when you get back there, Putha, there are few sections like adjust, picture styles, arrange, and size. Okay, all these are really important. We'll learn one by one. So adjust එකට ගියාම you will be able to see something called remove background කියලා. දැන් හිතන්න සමහර විට අපිට image එකක් insert කරාම හිතනවා නේද background එක remove කරන්න ඕනි කියලා. So at that time you no need to open Photoshop and go get back there and remove the background. There is a option in Word itself where it allows you to remove the background. තේරුණාද? then සමහර විට අපි image එකේ background remove කරන්න ඕනේ නම් we have to open Photoshop and Photoshop එකේ ඉඳලා තමයි background ඔක්කොම remove කරන්න වෙනව නේද? but මෙතන මොනවද තියෙන්නේ නම් පුතා? ඒ මොකුත් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. remove background කියලා option එකක් මේකෙන්ම තියෙන format එකෙන්ම click කරන්නේ උඩින් then automatically a window will get open like this. then මේකේ ඔයාට පුළුවන් මේ විදිහට අර purple color පෙන්නනව නේද? all that parts are whatever the area that is going to be removed. okay, මේ section එක remove වෙන යන section එක තමයි purple color වලින් පෙන්නලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒකට බලන්න මම මේක selection එක ටිකක් ලොකු කරලා I just wanted to select only the girl. එතකොට මම මොනවද කරන්නේ? දැන් මේ blue color තියෙනව නේද? that is also has been selected. එතකොට මේක මට remove කරන්න ඕනේ. then පුතා background removal එකටම කියලා මේ වගේ window එකක් open වෙනවනේ. ඒක තියෙනවා mark area to keep, mark area to remove කියලා. So I just wanted to keep only the girl, but instead of having her, I just wanted to remove all the background. Okay, blue color තියෙන මේ wall background එහෙම එකක්ම remove කරන්න ඕනේ. So මං මේකෙන් mark area to remove කියන මේ option එක select කරගෙන ඇවිල්ලා මේ section එහෙම එකක්ම mark කරනවා to be removed කියලා. බලන්න here. Once you selected that section, automatically those section will get applied like purple color ඒකට උඩින් select වෙනවා. okay, you can't precisely select everything, but you can like select, okay, to remove the background. okay, then මම මේක select කරගත්ත. දැන් බලන්න මෙතන පොඩි තැනක් තියෙනවා which also has been selected. නේද? purple color වලින් apply වෙලා තියෙනවා. I wanted to keep that thing. එතකොට mark area to keep කියන එකේ ඇවිල්ලා මම මෙතන draw කරගන්නම්. then that will be kept. then ඔයාට මේ හැම එකක්ම හරියට කරගත්තට පස්සේ what you can do, you can click on keep changes like this. then the background will get erased. It will be removed. Is it clear? Now I'll get back again to the background removal. And then make up mark area to keep you can select the area to keep things, isn't it? And then there is another option where you can select to remove things. delete marks make mark කරගත්ත නේද? remove things කියලා remove area and keep area කියලා mark කරගත්ත මේ තියෙනවනේ minus plus කියලා. so මේ හැම එකක්ම remove කරන්න තමයි අපි මේ remove mark කියන එක click කරන්නේ. then this will allow us to remove the mark areas. okay, it will delete all the marks. okay, අපි mark කරලා තියෙන ඔක්කොම මෙයා remove කරනවා. okay, like this. yeah, select it, come and press on it, then the selection area will get deleted like this. like this. okay, clicking on it, you can come and just tick on it. එතකොට ඔයාට select කරපු දේවල් ඔක්කොම දැන් බලන්න මේකෙන් අපි mark කරනවා. then once you marked on it, you will be able to see something like this, a small minus kind of thing, isn't it? minus වගේ එකක් තියෙනව නේද? ඒක ඔයා mark කරගත්තාම ඒක ඒ වගේ එකක් එනවා. now if you wanted to delete the mark, click on delete mark and again එවිල්ලා මෙතන click කරාම අර select කරපු තැන නැති වෙනවා. is it clear? now once you discard all changes කියලා දුන්නොත් nothing would get removed. okay, මොකුත් remove වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයාට original image එකම මේ විදියට ලැබෙනවා. so remove background මේකේ තියෙන මේ keep areas, mark areas to remove, delete marks, discard all changes, keep changes මේ හැම එකක්ම තේරුණාද? is everything is clear in the background removal? guys?
Yes,
Okay, well done. So now let's get back again to the image. We'll select the image. Okay, select the image, get back to the format. Then here you'll be able to see something called in under the edges correction kela karte na. It's like even when you are taking pictures in your phone, you have this option to brighten your picture, to increase the contrast and all, right? So the same option has been given over here. So here, clicking on selecting one option from here, you can brighten the image, or else you can increase the contrast here likewise. See, you can darken the image, brighten karanna pulam me with. Okay, so these options has been given under the correction section. So we'll just select one from here, and then colors kela sawa option ekaktiena. This is all, these are like whatever that you have in your phone. Okay, so make it in a balanna like gray scale kela ekaktiena colors, like you can apply colors, black and white image ekakta, like yellowish image like again you can select the colors. Okay, you can just change the mood of the image using options like this. Okay, things like this. So I'll undo it. That is under the color section. Okay, so you can select colors. The original color is also there. Black and white karanna one na itanna ko black and white karanna one kiyala select black and white, then the image will get turn into something like this. I hope this is clear. The color correction, we'll keep it normal, no any color corrections has to be done. Now let's get back to the artistic effect. So artistic effect is something where you can apply things like art draw karla wage effects apply karna like something like this. Okay, you can keep the image something like this. Art me wage. See how it's changing, right? Can you see the difference? Something like this. Yeah, see, now it turned into something like a drone image, isn't it? So artistic image is something like artistic effects will get applied. That's the thing, okay, mainly. So few options has been given. You can select if you know these things can be used when you are like assume that you are a story writer. Okay, story books එහෙම write කරන කෙනෙක් කියලා හිතමුකෝ. එතකොට දැන් ඔයා story book එකක් write කරලා ඒකෙදි දැන් images එහෙම ලස්සනට අර දැන් even if you have like kids at your home, okay, පොඩි ළමයින්ට අපි නිකන් story books අරන් දෙනව නේද? ඒකේ පුතා ඒකේ තියෙනවා මේ අර images ලස්සනට තියෙනව නේද? draw කරපු වගේම images. What you can do if you are a writer, you just type whatever that the story is about and then put an image. Okay, cover page එකට හරි මොනවාරි මේ වගේ image එකක් දාන්න. Artistic effect එකට ගිහින් what you can do, you can just turn the image into something which has been drawn, isn't it? මේ වගේ එකක් turn කරා නම් it would look something like this, isn't it? So you can just keep on typing and writing the story, isn't it? මේ වගේ artistic effects වලට apply කරන්න පුළුවන් under the adjust section. Compress picture is something where you can compress the image into like print කරන්න ඕනේ නම් ඉතින් image size එක compress කරන්න ඔයාලට මේක ඔයාලට පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. HD image එකක් විදියට print image එකක් විදියට compress කරන්න කියලා කියන්නේ original HD image එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ high define ඒ කියන්නේ high quality image එකක් නේද? ඒකට you can like clicking on it, selecting on it, you can just apply a high quality. Okay, document resolution එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ now currently මම document එකේ පාවිච්චි කරන resolution type එක. Email එකක් යවනවා නම් here they have given 95 ppi is the size. Okay, minimize document size for sharing. ඒ වගේම web එකකට 150 good for web pages and projectors. Okay, we are like compress එක කියලා කියන්නේ size එක අපි වෙනස් කරන එක තමයි මේ compress section එකේ තියෙන්නේ. print එකට බලන්න excellent quality to most quality on most printers and screen. එතකොට අපිට දන්න මේක print කරනකොට කොහොම එයිද කියලානේ. එතකොට if you select on print section and if you just click on okay, එතකොට print කරන එකට ඒකට වගේ ඒ size එක compressed වෙනවා. Okay, now if you get this picture print out, then there won't be any like මොනවාද breaks turns, or else you won't be able to see any pixels or something like that. Okay, originally or good quality picture would be there in the printout. Okay, so compressed image එකේ ඔයාට පුළුවන් image එක compress කරලා okay ඔයාට ඕන විදියට size එක add කරගන්න and then change picture එක දුන්නාම like when you click on change picture now instead of this picture okay now currently we are having one picture instead of having this picture you can select another picture and you can relocate that one or else replace it okay then what you do is see මේකෙන් බලන්න change picture කියලා මෙතන අපි select කරලා තියෙනවා once you click on it you will be able to see something like this from a file or else you can search it from the internet or else you can get it from OneDrive. I have to get it from the file from my file okay from the computer because I don't have the other things. So I'll just click on here and then when you select another picture, for an example I'll select this and if you click on insert instead of this image you will be able to see another image in the same place. Maybe that. Am I clear? So that means change pictures. Reset picture කියලා කියන්නේ now assume that I have applied an effect to this and all මම නිකන් මේ වගේ effect එකක් apply කරලා තියෙනවා color correction මේ වගේ එකක් apply කරලා තියෙනවා කියලා හිතමුකෝ okay so I have just done something like this few adjustments has been done then reset picture කියලා කියන්නේ I don't want to have any of this adjustment right now normal විදියටම තියෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා හිතමුකෝ then get back here reset picture වලට ගිහින් reset picture and size එක දුන්නා නම් both now if you change the size okay assume now I have changed the size okay now if you just reset picture it will get back to normal like this but reset picture and size එක දුන්නාම picture size එකත් ඒ වගේම resize වෙනවා original size එකට යනවා okay so assume that I have increased the size and අපි artistic effect එකක් apply කරමු for now okay this is the effect which I have applied if you get back here and reset picture and size both will get resetted like this here there is no any artistic effect right now it's like undoing thing okay reset කරන්න කියලා කියන්නේ අර හිටපු විදියටම අපි image එක අපි like relocating okay we are not just keeping it as it is like අපිට adjustment ඔක්කොම ඕන නැත්නම් if you don't want anything to be applied then you can just get it resetted okay the image can be reset okay I hope it is clear then බලමු අපි picture style කියන option එක මොනවාද කියලා so you guys know how to remove a background color corrections කරන්නේ කොහමද ඒ වගේම brightness contrast එක change කරන්නේ කොහමද artistic effects apply කරන්නේ කොහමද compress කරන්නේ කොහමද picture එකක් මෙතනින් වෙන picture එකකට change කරනවා නම් ඒක කොහොමද කරන්නේ reset picture කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියන එක දන්නවා isn't it so I'll be giving you homeworks don't worry now we have this picture style under the picture style see puta now still we are in the insert tab isn't it even insert tab එකකින් අපි picture එකේ තියෙන්නේ picture එකට කියලා format එකක් තියෙනවා likewise for each of these sections there are formats and designs okay so we have to learn a lot of things okay so මම ඔයාලට ඒකයි ඒ කියන්නේ we have within this time period we have to cover all we have to do PowerPoint and then Excel so important things only I'll be teaching okay then බලන්න picture style එකේ when you drop down this menu you will be able to see like few styles මේ වගේ ඔයාට ඕන විදිහට frame එකක් විදිහට එකක් apply කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා හිතමුකෝ you can get back here and then you can apply things like this okay like frames kind of thing now see I have applied this something like this බලන්න මේ විදිහට ඔයාට frames apply කරන්න පුළුවන් dropping down this okay you make sure to drop down this most of the people doesn't know how to drop it down okay so even when I was doing for your previous batches they are like they doesn't know they are telling madam only few options are there you have to drop it down then only you will be able to see other options அலங்கிச்சா இந்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் நீங்க பார்க்கணும் இந்த ஸ்டைல்ஸ் எல்லாம் பார்க்கணும்னு சொன்னா நீங்க அதை drop down பண்ணணும் තේරුණානේ මේක බලන්න ඔයාට ඕන විදියට මේ විදියට frame border frame එකක් apply කරගන්න පුළුවන් මේකේ then මේක හරි ඒ වගේම තියෙනවා මේ right section එකේ okay right side එකේ තියෙනවා picture border picture effects picture layouts කියලා what are these now when you get back to this picture border puta picture border එක drop down කරාම you will be able to see colors okay then picture එකට මේ picture එකට border එකක් තියෙනවනේ already so you can change the color of it here like this you can select whatever the color that you wish to apply as the border okay then හිතන්නකෝ මම මෙතන maroon color එක border එකක් විදිහට දෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා හිතනවා කියලා මත් නැත්තම් blue color okay I just wanted to apply blue is the background is also brunei. Then we'll change it into something like this, dark blue. Okay, so the color can be selected. If not, no outline kiyala dunno thing, outline එක නැති වෙනවා. Understood? If you apply a color, the color will get applied to the border outline එකට. එමත් නැත්නම් no outline එක දුන්න නම් outline එකක් නැති වෙනවා. එමත් නැත්නම් more outline colors කියන එකට ගියාම you will be able to select colors from here. Now if there is no color, like there if you wanted to select the color by your own, okay, මේ විදියට scaling එකකින් ඔයාට ඕන විදියට pink color එකක් apply කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා කියමුකෝ. You can go here and then select a color, a precise color from here, and then make the selection and press OK. Then that color will get applied to the border. Am I clear? That is under what? More outline colors. And weight කියලා තව option එකක් තියෙනවා. That is to change the size of the what border. Okay, here they have given sizes. Okay, you can select the sizes from here. And more lines කියලා තව option එකක් තියෙනවා. When you click on it, you will be able to see another format picture option like this. හරිද? Format pictures කියලා මේ වගේ option එකක් එනවා. When you click on the more option under what? Under the width. ඒකේ තියෙනවා more lines කියලා option එකක්. ඒක click කරාම you will be able to see something like this. then මේකට ගියාම මේකේ අහනවා ඔයාගේ border line එක තමයි අපි fill කරන්න යන්නේ. Okay, we are about to fill. Here see, there is something called fill and line. There is something called effects කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. There is something called layouts and properties කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. Pictures කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. But we are now currently we have selected. You can select each and every one of this. Okay, making what own option එකක් select කරගන්න පුළුවන්. අපි fill එක select කරගමු. Then make a fill කරන්න ඕනේ. I don't want to fill this entire image, but instead of filling, I just wanted to fill the line, only the line. Neither, not the entire thing. Fill ඔයා fill කියලා දුන්නාම image එකම fill වෙයි මොනාරේ color එකකින්. But I don't want to fill the entire image, just I wanted to fill the line. No line කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. If you select that one, then no line should be there. Okay. Solid color කියලා දුන්නාම only one particular color can be given, you can be filled using one particular color. Here, the same thing, you can select a color from here. Okay, now if I have just selected yellow, then that can be applied. Okay, in transparency, if you increase the transparency, see transparency කියලා කියන්නේ අර lightness அது வந்து அவ்வளவு அந்த thick ஆயிக்கிறது வந்து light ஆகும் இந்த மாதிரி transparent වෙනවා. හරි මේ විදියට transparent කරන්න පුළුවන් light border එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා කියමුකෝ. එතකොට යාට මේ වගේ half away transparent කරලා තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන් මේ වගේ. Am I clear? Is this clear? ඒ වගේම width එක. Now if you wanted to increase the width size, see border එකේ width එක ලොකු කරගෙන යන්න ඕනේ කියලා හිතමුකෝ. 14, you see. Likewise you can increase the size of the width as well. මේ වගේ. Okay? And then compound type කියලා කියන්නේ you can just select a size like a type to this border. Okay, double line on the එහෙම කියලා ඔයාට ඕන විදියට මේ වගේ compound style එකක් ඔයාට මේකෙන් select කරගන්න පුළුවන්. And then dash type කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. It's like dash lines. Okay, මේ වගේ dash line වගේ එකක්. Okay, so you can select it through here as well. And then square the නැත්තම් මේ cap type කියලා කියන්නේ now it is currently it is square. If you just select rounded, now the size is too big, that's why you will not be able to see that thing. If it is, will decrease the size. Round කියලා කියනම okay, what will happen is this will get added in rounds. Okay, round වගේ flat කියලා දුන්නාම flat එකේ තමයි මේක add වෙන්නේ. Okay, joint type is okay, metric and then round, bevel. Likewise they have given some options. You just go and check it out. Now gradient color කියලා තව option එකක් තියෙනවා. Gradient is means පුතා you can select a gradient color, like not one color can be added, so multiple colors. Gradient means multiple colors, shaded colors, isn't it? So here you can pick one color from here. If not, if you are not okay with that color, you can even create your own gradient color. Okay, then මෙතන බලන්න මට ඕනේ pink color එකේ. Now select one portion from here and then ඒකට අදාළ color එක select කරගන්න. Okay, select the color from here. Apply like this. Select the second portion and then get back here and then you can make another selection. Like apply another color. And third portion, you can drop down and then make another like color like this. Okay, and then you can adjust it like this. Okay, so the gradient color එකක් විදිහට apply වෙනවා. If you want, you can even add another portion as well like this. Okay, මේ විදිහට ඔයාට adjustment කරලා gradient colors apply කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, position එක කොයි පැත්තටද තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Okay, from which side the position has to be applied. Transparency, brightness එක increase කරලා අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, and then width can be increased and decreased, and then all the other stuffs also has been given. So you can go to what we are, get back here, more wait, take a more line scale option එකක් තියෙනවා. Once you click on it, you will be able to see something like this. In under the format picture section, you will be able to do these stuffs. Okay, that is one thing. But ඒ විදියට කරන්න නැතුව ඔයාට පුළුවන් මෙතනින් මේක කරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඔයාට මේකෙන් උනත් ඔයාට ඒ දේම කරන්න පුළුවන් නේද? dashes මේ මෙතනත් එයාලා dashes දීලා තියෙනවා, isn't it? So you can even apply dashes to here. Okay, this border is not getting applied because since this is another kind of a border, we'll just apply to another border and see. Now this is a theme, right? We can't change the theme. Okay, මේක theme එකක් ඉඳ අපිට change කරන්න බෑ. මේකෙන් automatically මෙයාලා දීලා තියෙන theme එකක් නම් ඒක change කරන්න බෑ. But if we are applying a border by ourselves to the picture, theme එකක් නැතුව නිකන් අපිම apply කරනවා නම් ඒකට අපිට එහෙම කරන්න පුළුවන්. I'll do that and show you. We'll just keep it as normal. Okay, no borders, no theme කියලා නිකන් තියමු. Normal image එකක් විදියට මේ විදියට. Now let's go to the picture border. And then we'll make a picture border like this, and then we'll apply a color, and then dashes like this here. If you give a border like this by yourself, ඔයාට මේ වගේ dashes apply කරන්න පුළුවන්. Manually දුන්නා නම් ඔයාට මේ විදිහට කරන්න පුළුවන්. Is it clear? But earlier it was a theme, right? Theme එකට අපිට එහෙම කරන්න බෑ because theme is already, it has been set as it is, isn't it? We can't change anything in the theme. But when it comes to a border which you have given, for that you can apply things like this. Okay, dotted borders එමගේ ඔයාට ඕන විදියට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Now I hope it is clear. Picture borders, you can apply color, even you can just keep it as no outline, or else you can select more colors through it, and then you can apply more width, and then when you click on more lines, you will be able to see the format picture. Then under that that you have like here the joint types and everything. Okay, you can select that and see what is the use of it and everything. Okay, transparency කරන්න පුළුවන්, එහෙම දෙයක්ම ඔයාලට මේකෙන් කරන්න පුළුවන්. And then picture effect කියලා තව option එකක් තියෙනවා under the picture style itself. Okay, then make a picture border නේ. Picture effect එකට ගියාම preset කියලා picture effect එකක් තියෙනවා. In that one you can just preset image. Okay, කියන්නේ බලන්න they have given few preset options. Yeah, these are few of those. So you can just preset the image as you want මේ විදියට. Okay, so this can be done through here. If not, you can go to the shadow. Shadow එකේ මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? Usually shadows නේද? shadow එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ inner shadow the outer shadow the කියලා ඔයාට මේකෙන් select කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Here this is outer shadow section where you can apply outer shadow. This is inner shadow, you can apply inner shadow to this. And then you have perspective shadow as well. Here dropping down below. මේ බලන්න මේ විදියට shadows apply කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ විදියට පිටිපස්සට. Okay, like this. Is it clear? Perspective shadow කියන එක තේරුණාද?
Yes, miss.
Okay, very good. Then we have something called reflection. Reflection is something, now when you are walking or else looking your face in the water, you will be able to see your reflection, right? Something like that. So here we can have like pictures reflection. මේ වගේ එකක්. Reflection එකේ. So all this comes under what? All this comes under picture effects. තේරුණා නේද? So you just click on it and then go to reflection. Here you will be able to see all the reflections under the reflection type. And you have something called glow. Glow කියලා කියන්නේ අර පිටිපස්සට අපිට glow එකක් විදියට එකක් add කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා හිතමුකෝ. Here like this. ඔයාට ඕන color එකෙන් select කරගන්න පුළුවන්. More glow color is also available. So you can select colors from here as well. If I just select yellow color එකෙන් glow වෙනවා පිටිපස්සේ මේ විදිහට. Okay, like this here. Can you see? It's like glowing outside එක border එක අපිට glow කරන්න විදිහට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Soft edges කියලා තව එකක් තියෙනවා. This is something like ඔයාට පුළුවන් edges එක soft කරන්න. Okay, you can keep that edges like this. Wait, let me show you. මේ විදිහට edges එක feathers එක අපි soft කරලා තියෙනකොට මේ විදිහට බලන්න පුළුවන්. I'll keep the normal image here like this, something like this. Okay, borders එක adjustment එක feathers කරනවා. Okay, soft edges. Go to the soft edges. Let's go to the 50 point, so it will be more softened like this. Okay, ඒක තව effect එකක්. ඒ වගේම තියෙනවා bevel කියලා තව option එකක් තියෙනවා. Here you will be able to do things like 3D effects වගේ එකක් apply කරන්න පුළුවන් to the border. And then 3D rotation කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. Here you can rotate the images as you want. It's like 3D effect එකම ආට rotate කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, මේ විදියට. Am I clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay, like this. Now you have, after applying the 3D, you can go to the bevel and then apply a thickness to the border, something like this, or else like this. Then you will be able to see the border itself. Immediate. Okay. So this is what is there in the picture effect, under the picture effect section. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now almost we learned all the things. Adjustment එක දන්නවා, picture style එකේ මොන වගේ themes ද තියෙන්නේ, what kind of a theme that we can apply, isn't it? And then you know what is picture border. Even in the picture border, what kind of a picture borders can be given, applied. And then under the picture effect, there are many more effects available, right? So you can select one of these effects to apply to your picture. And then picture layouts කියලා කියන්නේ, this is something like when you are drawing, like පොතේ ඔයාලගේ grade 1 grade 2 books එහෙම ගත්තාම with the picture you will be able to see graphs like this නේද? layout එකක් විදිහට මේ වගේ එකක් තියෙනවා නේද? මෙතන like you will be able to see the text like some text over there. Still we didn't learn that layouts. Okay, still මේ තියෙන්නේ smart art එක අපි තාම ඉගෙන ගත්තේ නැහැ. Smart art එකේ තමයි ඒක තියෙන්නේ. So soon after we learn smart art, I will teach you what is this and all. Okay, still we doesn't know මේ smart art එකට ගියාම තමයි මේ දේවල් ඔක්කොම එන්නේ design section එක. So we didn't learn that thing. So we'll keep it as it is. So it is there. Okay, shape yeah, not now this will turn into something shape called. We'll get back over here. So as you know, picture tool එකට ගියාම picture layouts කියන එකේ ඒ වගේ ඔයාට ඕන layout එකක් මේකට select කරන්නත් පුළුවන් මේ විදියට. Okay, picture එකත් එක්කම text එකක් ඕනේ කියලා කියමුකෝ. So you will be able to do that, and then you can just add a text below here. Okay, am I clear? So we'll keep it as it is. Now when I am teaching you this smart arts, then I will teach you all these stuffs. Okay, make a comma the change karane kiyala. Without learning that, no point of doing this. Okay, make a monare adjust karanna giya nan you won't understand. So I will teach you first the smart art kiyanne monada kiyala e gannan nan. After that we learn this designing here. Smart art tools එක තමයි මේක. Yeah, as you can see, smart art tool is the what which has been displayed here, design and format. So still we didn't learn that, right? So once I thought the things whatever that is related to smart art, we'll learn all these things. Okay, again I will teach you how you can insert an image and add the smart art for that. Okay, hari then එකක් තියමු. then අපි back undo කරමු මේක. So normal image එකම තියනවා in the under the format. Now you guys know picture layout එකක් add කරන්නේ කොහමද, picture effect එකක් add කරන්නේ කොහමද, border එකක් apply කරන්නේ කොහමද කියන එකත් දැන් ඔයාලට දන්නවා. Okay, now පුතා position, image position එක තමයි මොනවාද කියලා අපි බලන්න යන්නේ. Okay, how we can apply image position. Assume that in the internet there is something called dummy text. Okay, dummy text කියලා කියන්නේ for testing purposes you can use these texts. Okay, මේ lorem memes කියලා තියෙන්නේ මේක නිකන් meaning එකක් නැතුව තියෙන text එකක්. Now even when you are developing website or something, we normally use this dummy text. Okay, because this just doesn't have any meaning. We can use this just to testing purposes. அலங்கிச்சா டெஸ்ட் பண்றதுக்காக வேண்டி எங்களுக்கு இது யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். So you just select the text. Okay, select කරන්න. පස්සේ control C copy කරගන්න. Let's get back here and then below the text. Okay, I'll be pasting the text like this. Again I'll be pasting twice. So we have a paragraph over here. නේද? මේක නිකන් paragraph එකක් මම testing purpose එකට ගත්ත එකක්. Now I just wanted to take the picture and I wanted to keep it in between the images. Okay, ඒ කියන්නේ text එකේ between තමයි මට image එක තියෙන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? I just wanted to increase the size of the image and then see now it is like in the middle නේද? image එක middle එකේ තියෙනවා, text එක වෙන තැනක තියෙනවා. I just wanted to keep the image in the left side and the paragraph on the left right side. Okay. ඒක කොහොමද කරන්නේ? මේ position එක කියන තැනකට ගියාම you will be able to keep your image like you will be able to do the positions. Okay. Center වලට ගෙන පුළුවන් left corner, middle මේ වගේ. Okay. ඔයාගේ page එකේ කොතනද ඔයාගේ image එක තියෙන්න ඕනේ? entire page එකෙම කියන එක ඔයාට decide කරන්න පුළුවන්. So let's keep it as left side top corner. Then it would look something like this. මේ විදිහට තමයි ඔයාලගේ පොතේ උනත් images තියෙන්නේ නේද? You will be able to see the image. Now you can resize it as well. Even though if you are resizing the images, the text will get adjusted for that. Okay, බලන්න මේ text එක ඒ විදිහට adjust වෙනවා. ඔයාට අර image එකට ඕන විදිහට ඒක adjust වෙනවා. Okay? So this is how you give the position. You apply the position to your text. Am I clear? Make a clear the තේරුණාද? Image position එක කොහොමද දෙන්නේ කියලා layout එකේ. Top මේ කියන්නේ layout එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ page එකේ top right corner, top bottom අර අපි අර text එකකට දුන්නා නේද? table එකේ ඇතුලේ. ඒ වගේම තමයි image එක කොතනද තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Here center වල තියෙන්න ඕනේද නැත්නම් bottom එකේ තියෙන්න ඕනේද? Center මොනවාද middle right එකේද middle top එකේ right top එකේද right bottom එකේද එහෙම වගේ නැත්නම් centerද likewise you can adjust. Understood? If you keep the picture in the center, it will be in the center. But if you position the image into left side corner, okay, left top corner, okay, so it will be in the left top corner like this. Okay, is it clear? Image position, is it clear? Arrangement.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Miss, but the dummy, when we use the dummy text, we can use big the letters.
Yeah, dummy text is something Puta. Now if I wanted to type, just assume that I wanted to have a paragraph here to show you how you can make the position, how you can select the position and precise it. But for now I don't have time, right, to type something, isn't it? I just wanted to show you like having a paragraph how you can do this. But for now I don't have time. මම මේක type කරගෙන යන්න ගියොත් ඒ type කරන්නටම කියලා වෙලා යනවා නේද? But in your case you can type. Okay, ඔයාට type කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. But මට දැන් මේක type කරගෙන යන්න ගියොත් මට වෙලා යනවා. ඔයාලට type කරගෙන ඉන්නවද නැත්නම් උගන්වනවද කියලා වෙලාවක් නැහැනේ මට නේද? ඒ හින්දා ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එකේ තියෙනවා dummy text කියලා එකක්. ඒක නිකන් meaning එකක් නැතු එකක්. මේක texting purposes වලට ගන්න පුළුවන්. Text එක. Okay, instead of typing you can use this text. Okay. You can even change the size of this in the home that I have already taught you. Increasing the size, adjusting the alignment, justifying everything I have taught. Even you can apply an effect to this. Everything I have already taught to you. That is not I'm going to repeat. Okay, I'm not going to repeat it again because you have to know how you can you can position the image wherever you want. Now even you can move the image wherever you want. Okay, position එක දුන්නාම ඔයාට ඕන තැනකට ඔයාට මේ image එක position කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, I hope that is clear. Now even in the format section rep text කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. මේක square rep text, tighten, through, okay, top and bottom, ඒ වගේම behind text, in front of text, okay, ඒ වගේම මේ වගේ තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ now here text can be wrapped. Square text කියලා කියන්නේ it is something like this. Now currently you are looking at the square text, okay, because according to the image the text also has been adjusted as square shape into square shape. Okay, tight කියලා දෙන්නේ ඒකත් ඒ වගේම තමයි tight වෙලා තියෙන image එකත් එක්කම tight වෙලා එනවා. Okay, අපි image එකත් එක්කම text එක තමයි wrap කරන්නේ බලන්න. now through කියලා දුන්නාම through එකත් එන්නේ ඒ වගේම තමයි. හරිද? It's like through, it's going through the image. Now here if you select the image and then through, here it's going through the image. Okay, through the image you can keep that, you can add the text. Okay, then rep text එකේ තව එකක් තියෙනවා top and bottom. Top and bottom කියලා දුන්නාම image will be in one place. Whenever you move the image, on top of the image and the bottom only you will have the text. You won't have it as square shape or tight or through. Okay, so it will be like this. Top and bottom only the text will get added. But at the same time, if you just click on behind text, image එක පිටිපස්සට යනවා, text will come on top of the image. Here, see, now I have I'll select the image. You can't select the image because text has come in front of the image. Okay, so that is there under the image wrap text. And then ආයෙත් ගිහින් අපි in front කියලා දුන්නොතින් the image is in front of the text. So if you move the like image, you won't be able to see the text is also not moving because text is behind the image. තේරුණාද? දැන් image එකට අදාළව ඒක move වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට ඔයාට බලන්න ඕනේ නම් text එක you have to move the image and you have to have a look. So they have given these options just to adjust the text according to the image. Okay, මේ විදිහට ඔයාට පුළුවන් ඕන විදිහට මේ වගේ text එක adjust කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Here if you keep it square, then square shape එකට adjust වෙනවා. Tight එක මේක, through එක මේක. Top and bottom is this, behind text, in front of text is this. Is it clear? Am I clear up to this? We'll keep it as square. Okay, so ඒක text wrap කියලා කියන්නේ. Bring forward, send backwards කියලා කියන්නේ assume that there is another image. Let's go here, insert picture එක ගියමු. දැන් මම insert pictures වලින් ඉඳලා අලුතින් තව image එකක් insert කරගන්න. Okay, now we have two images, right? Yeah, another image also has been added. We have added two images. මෙයාගේ position එකත් අපි මේක නිකන් කරගමු left corner එකට. Now I am having this image on top of the image, right? What I wanted to do is මෙයාව front එකට ගේන්න ඕනේ. Okay, I just wanted to bring this image forward. So what you do, bring forward කියන එක දුන්නාම it will come forward and then the image which we added on top of that will be taken to the backwards. Am I clear? Then බලමු මේක backward යන්න ඕනේ නම් send backward දුන්නාම it will get back. Send forward, bring forward, send backward. Okay, that is the simple thing. Then select pan කියලා දුන්නාම select pan එකේදී ඔයාට පුළුවන් මේ වගේ picture එක hide කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. If you hide all the images, you can just hide it, show දෙන්න පුළුවන්. එකක් hide කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, තව එකක් ඕන එකක් මේ වගේ hide unhide කරලා බලන්න එහෙම පුළුවන්. Just to check it. Okay, ඔයාට ඕන විදියට ඒ වගේ නිකන් picture layout එකට ගිහින්, not picture layout, sorry, selection pan එකට ගිහින් you can just select and then see and then you can just hide it and just check. Okay, so that is the purpose of selection pan. So here I hope this is clear. Alignment නේද? ඒ වගේම align කියලා තව option එකක් තියෙනවා. This is also text alignment. To the left side alignment එන්න ඕනේ මේක. ඒ වගේම center alignment එන්න ඕනේ. බලන්න මේ image එක. ඒ වගේම right side alignment එන්න ඕනේද? Okay, and then alignment middle එකට එන්න ඕනේද? Then it will come to the middle like this. Okay, likewise you can align it by here as well. The same thing, right? Same as here, you can align it by this also. ඒ වගේම තව option එකක් තියෙනවා, rotate කියලා option එකක් තියෙනව නේද? මේ rotate option කියලා කියන්නේ you will be able to rotate it here like this. Now see, I'll rotate this image and show you. Rotate 90, left 90, flip vertical, flip horizontal. All this has been given under the rotate section. Okay, I hope it is clear. So this is there under this arrange section. Okay, arrange කියන section එකේ position තියෙනවා. text එකක් wrap කරන්නේ කොහොමද? ඒ වගේම bring forward, send backward, align කරන්නේ කොහොමද? rotate කරන්නේ කොහොමද? ඒ වගේම තියෙනවා crop කියලා option එකක් size එකේ. So you can crop the image. Okay, crop එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ you know, right? Cropping. Even you might have done this in the phone and all, isn't it? Crop means something like this. You can crop the image. Am I clear? So if you wanted to crop this image, that also can be done through here, crop image. And you can increase the size through, once is like manually you can increase the size like this, clicking on the image itself. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් ඔයාට පුළුවන් මොනවද කරන්න? ඉනේ පිටේ අහලමෙන් උයරත වඳ உங்களுக்கு ඉනි කුටි කොලා. Am I clear? Increase the width and the height through here. You can increase, decrease, that can be done through the sizing section instead of doing it manually. But that can be done through here. මේක මේ විදිහට කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් ඔයාට මෙතන ගිහින් ඒක adjust කරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Now you know how to remove a background, correction, the brightness and contrast, color corrections, artist effects, compress image එකක් කියන්නේ ඔයාට ඕන විදිහට print out එකක් ගන්නවා නම් ඒකට, එහෙමත් නැත්නම් email එකකට HD image එකකට එහෙම කියලා compress තියෙනවා. And then change image එකක්. Instead of this image, if you wanted to add another, replace කරන එකක් තමයි ඒක. Reset picture කියලා දෙන්නාම, now see, if I just click on reset picture, it will get back to normal. See, no formats has been applied. Okay, only the crop has been applied. So then it is according to the size. Okay, so then මේ වගේම picture style එකට ගියාම ආට දන්නවා මෙතනින් format එකක් මේ template එකක් apply කරන්නේ කොහමද, border එකක් effect එකක් apply කරන්නේ කොහමද, picture layout එකක් add කරන්නේ කොහමද කියන එකක් දැන් දන්නවා ඔයාලට නේද? So picture layout එකක් අපි තාම ඉගෙන ගත්තා නෑ. මම I'll be detailedly explaining it to you when we are learning smart arts. And then image එකකට position එකක් දෙන්න ඕනේ නම් ඒක කොහමද දෙන්නේ, center middle මේ වගේ move කරන්න ඕනේ නම් ඒක කොහමද කරන්නේ, that also you know. Prep text කියන්නේ කොහමද කියන එකක් දන්නවා ඔයාලට. And then bring forward, send backwards, align, rotate, crop, and then sizing. I hope now everything is clear under the pictures tool. Is everything is clear? Do I need to explain something over here? මොනාරි එකක් clear කරන්න ඕනේද කියලා කියන්න මට.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah.
Can you
Yes.
explain again the second picture, how to add the system? This statement.
One.
Yes.
So I just assume that you don't have any images. Okay. So the same way, Puta, you don't want to do like just go to the insert, again pictures. You can add many more images, like into your document you can add plenty more images through this insert of, that's the thing. Okay, select the image and insert, that's all. Then you have to go here again, you have added another image, right? So you will be able to do the position. I'll make it as top left, resize the image, that's it. Assume that you wanted to add another image, go to insert, go to pictures, add another image, that's it. Select the image.
Okay,
the
miss.
same way, the same. Okay, the same way.
Okay.
Insert image, and the image will get it. Okay, like this. Select the position to middle, wherever you want. Okay, that's it. Then you know how to insert image and to do this picture style adjustment, arrange, and sizings. Well done. Now let's move back to the insert. And even under the illustration, we are under illustration, right? Pictures only we learned. There is something called online picture. Puta. Online picture ke liye, if you have online access, you will be able to search for images. Like if you just type flowers ke liye metan type kara ke liye muko. So if you search for flowers, you will be able to see images under this as well. Okay. So it's like online එක ඉඳලා images ඔයාලට search කරලා edit කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. Instead of editing images from your computer, you can edit from the online. Here like this. Now here you can see pictures and then select an image and insert. You can insert it. Okay, for example, I'll select this image and let's insert. The image will get inserted. Again, the same, all the formats will be same. Insert image එක insert කරන්න පුළුවන් විදිය දෙකක් තියෙනවා. එකක් තමයි ඔයාගේ computer එකේ ඉඳලම select කරලා add කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් ඔයාට පුළුවන් මේ වගේ online එකේ ගිහින් image එක insert කරන්න. Okay, select කරන්න and then insert it. It is taking time. So that is the two ways. Those are the two ways where you can insert images into downloading. It is downloading. Okay, so we have to make sure once after that is downloaded, the image will get added like this. Am I clear? Then මේකටත් තියෙන්නේ එකම format එක තමයි. Okay, again the same background removal, color correction, adjustment, the picture styling, position, wrap text, crop, everything is same. Okay, but you will be able to take the image from online. Instead of getting it from your computer, you can get it from the online like this. Am I clear? මේක තේරුණාද? Inserting image from pictures and online picture. Getting file from the computer is just pictures. Online picture is something where you can get the images from online. Okay, through like directly you are not going to any Chrome or any other softwares or else browsers. Directly getting it from where, Puta? Directly getting it from the internet. Okay, so that's the thing. Wrap text again, wrap text එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ පුතා again it's the same thing. Wrap text means where you can wrap the text. That means text එක කොහමද මේක වටේට එන්න ඕනේ, image එකට උඩින් එන්න ඕනේද? Okay, எப்படி வரணும் இந்த text வந்து image க்கு மேல கீழ வரணுமா? text வந்து இந்த image பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் எப்படி இருக்க வேணும்? image க்கு மேலால இருக்கணுமா, image க்கு பின்னுக்கால இருக்கணுமா, இல்லாட்டி image மூடி கவர் பண்ணின மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் ஷேப்புக்கு ஒரு சதுரத் மாதிரி இருக்கணுமா, டைட்டனா இருக்கணுமா, இமேஜோட சேர்ந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணுமா, இல்லாட்டி இமேஜுக்குள்ளால போற மாதிரி இருக்கணுமா? Now image, okay, for that I'll show you with an example. We'll remove the background, then you will be able to see that. Okay, so I'll keep the changes. Now see, this is the image. So if you go to rep text, if you wanted to keep it as square, it would look something like this. If you keep it tighten, something like this. Through is something like this. Is it clear? Tighten කියලා කියන්නේ image එකත් එක්කම then square කියලා කියන්නේ square shape එකෙන්ම තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Understood? Tighten කියලා කියන්නේ ඒ image එකට අර shape එකක් තියෙනවනේ. ඒකට tight වෙලා තියෙනවා වගේ. Wrap text කියලා කියන්නේ that's what. Okay, so you are just wrapping the text on top of the image. Okay, like through the image. Image එකට උඩින් ඔයා text එක wrap කරන එක තමයි මේක. වැළඟිචයිද? Nifal? Clear? Okay, well done. So that is what is wrap text is. So you can do it, you can give it a try when you are doing practices. I will give you a homework as well. So let's get back again to the insert. So then we'll learn about the shapes. Then api shapes gana gamu. Hari then what homework එකක් මම දෙන්නම් මේකට insert image එකට මම වෙනම homework එකක් දෙන්නම්. Now we'll learn about the for that to the shape මම අලුතින් image එකක් add කරගන්න තමයි යන්නේ. Not image, a blank page. So what you do, add a blank page, then you will be able to see another blank page. So earlier we learned about the table and then we learned about the image inserting and then now we are about to learn about the shapes. So under the shape illustration පුතා ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මේ වගේ drop down කරාම මේකේ ගොඩාක් shapes තියෙනවා. ඔයාට ඕනි shape එකක් මේකෙන් add කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Assume that I am adding an heart shape like this. Okay, heart shape එකක් add කරගත්තා කියලා කියමුකෝ. You can do that. Okay, so now I have added the heart shape. Soon after you added a shape, you will be able to see another formatting tab over here at the tab section, ribbon tab section. ඒකේ තියෙනවා insert shapes කියලා එක section එකක් තියෙනවා, shape style කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා, draw art style කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා, word art style කියලා තියෙනවා, ඒ වගේම text arrange size කියලා මේකෙන් sections තියෙනවා. There are 6 sections, isn't it? We have 6 sections. So under the insert shape section, now the same thing, you will be able to see the same thing. Now here you can insert furthermore shapes into this. Now assume that I wanted to insert a star shape. That can be done over here. Okay, like this. You can insert a star shape. Okay, again. ඒ වගේ shapes ඔයාට ඕන තරම් එඩ් කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන් මේක පාවිච්චි කරලා මේ insert shape කියන මේ drop down එක පාවිච්චි කරලා in that one you can add furthermore shapes into your document. Okay, that is there. And edit shape කියලා තව option එකක් තියෙනවා. මේකෙන් ඔයාට පුළුවන් shape එක change කරන්න. Now already you are having a shape, right? You can change the shape into something else as well. Okay, then හිතමුකෝ මට ඕනේ මේ වගේ shape එකට change කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා. It will get changed. Okay, so you can change the shape. If not, you can edit the points. Point එක edit කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ විදියට. ඔයාට ඕන තැනකට ඒක drag කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ විදියට. shape එකම ඔයාට resize කරලා මේ විදියට edit කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Understood? Like this, something like this. Okay, So don't, I'm showing you, okay? So that can be done. Edit the pointers. So edit shape කියන්නේ ඒකට. ඒ වගේම තියෙනවා draw text box කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. This is something where you can draw a text box and you can type things. මේ shape ගෙන මොනාර එකක් කියන්න ඕනේ නම් you can draw a text box and then you can keep it on top of the shape and then you can mention this is what this is කියලා. Okay, like this. Okay, for now I'll delete it. Then again we'll select the shape and we'll go to the format. Then insert shape එක හරි ඒකෙන්ම තියෙනවා shape style කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා නේද ළමයි, isn't it? இன்னைக்கு shape style னு சொல்லி ஒண்டிக்குது. Now you go there and drop down the menu. You will be able to see many kind of shape styles over here. Only the border kind style has been given with the background which has been given. I'll type something inside the text, inside this shape. Okay, I'll just type happy. Happy kela type karna. Even if you just select the shape and type something, the text will get added into that. Okay, de malanna mang text me star එක select කරලා මම නිකන් type කරන මොනවා එකක්. Yeah, inside it is being typed. Okay, මේ විදියට. තේරුණාද? You can type whatever you want, just selecting the shape. Now see, I have selected the shape, then you can type whatever you want. And then you can go back here to the home tab and then you can increase the text size. All time, everything can be done through the home tab. That you know, right? Then api ආයත් shape format එකට එමු. Now here, as you can see, here only the border and the text is being given. Okay, you can select this and then you can like colors has been given, you can select through here. Then with the border, the inside color, inner color also has been given. No border, inner color only. Some effects has been given. Here, different effects has been given like this. Can you see filling colors, different fillings, like effects has been given. And then without border, okay, only the text will be there. And then like transparency, border එකත් එක්ක විතරක් මේ විදියට ඔයාට image එක තියාගන්න පුළුවන්. Again අපි scroll down කරාම light අර transparency එකක් තියෙනවා වගේ එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම here borders and gradient. Likewise, you can fill the shape with whatever the template or else theme color that you want. Okay, and you can select black, from black to white ඒ වගේ වෙන වගේ මොන වුණත් ඔයාට මේකෙන් select කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, I hope it is clear. So I'll just select one color from here. Then පුළුවන් බලන්න ඔයාට මේකේ drop කරලා මේකෙන් ඔයාට ඕන එකක් මේ විදියට select කරන එක තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Okay, here gradient color, now transparency colors, only the border and the text has been given, the background is transparent. Okay, see here, I'll just keep it as it is. Even though if you move it, you will be able to see this. Okay, even though if there is something behind, you will be able to see. Okay, so for example, I'll just paste the text like this. Now you have the shape, okay, on top of the text, isn't it? Then බලන්න ඔයා format එකට ගියාම මේක transparency ඉඳ ඔයාට පේනවා එක. මේක ඔයා fill color එකක් දුන්න නම් you won't be able to see that like this. But if it is transparent, you can see. But if it is something like this, the inner color would be in white color, the border will be in the color which you have selected, and then the text will be displayed. But when it comes to transparency, the background also can be seen through. Okay, make a light transparency එකක් බලන්න මේ විදියට. Okay, so this is what which has been given under this themes. Okay, so themes are that I hope you got the idea about the theme. So we'll just select one from here. Then බලන්න මම theme එකක් select කරලා තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ shape fill, shape outline, shape effect කියලා you have options. So when you get into the shape fill, you can fill the shape with whatever the color that you wish. Okay, so here they have given colors, you can select the colors from here. Standard colors has been given, that also can be selected. If not, what you can do, no fill dunama, no colors would be filled out to the shape. If not, you can go to more fill colors and then select color from here as what you want. Okay, ඔයාට ඕන color එකක් මෙතනින් select කරගන්න පුළුවන් as you wish, like this. Okay, so that is shape fill more fill color. ඒකෙන්ම තියෙනවා picture කියලා එකක්. So instead of filling the shape with the color, you can fill the shape with the picture as well. வழங்கிச்சா? இப்போ நீங்க shape உண்ட வந்து கலரால fill பண்ணாம picture உண்டால fill பண்ணினா நல்லா இருக்கும். Now you can just create a card for your girlfriend or boyfriend, then you can like add their picture inside the heart shape and give it to them, isn't it? So you just see, if you just click on picture, ඔයාට පුළුවන් work offline කියලා දුන්නා නම් ඔයාට ඒක එන්නේ බලන්න from my file. If I have the image, I can get it from here. If not, you can search it from the internet as well. I'll get an image from the file, okay, from my computer. So I'll select this image and we'll insert it. Now the shape will get added the image into it, something like this. තේරුණාද? මේක තේරුණාද? Is it clear? Am I clear? Did you understand how I did it? Now
Yes,
it is,
miss.
yeah. Now what you do, just shape fill එකට යන්න, pictures එක click කරන්න, select a picture and fill it out. And then there is another option where you can fill the shape with gradient color. Okay, light variations has been given, dark variations also has been given. So if you just click one from here, that color, that variation will get added. Instead of that, you have more gradients options as well. Okay, more gradient එකට ගියාම ඔයාට ඒ වගේම අර කලින් අපි image එකට අපි බැලුවා නේද, format picture කියලා එකක් ආවා. Same as that, you will get the same window again over here. So currently, since I have added image, okay, image එකක් තමයි මෙතන තියෙනවා ඉඳ picture or texture fill කියන එක තමයි මෙතන select වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Okay, since I have added image, since I have filled it with the image, it is currently showing picture or texture fills කියලා. But if you select gradient fill කියන එක select කරා නම් ඔයාට මේ වගේ gradient color එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා ඔයාගේ මේ shape එක fill කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Understood? Give me a minute. Okay. So is it clear? Gradient color එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ where you can apply gradient fill. Okay, now here you can select whatever the color you want. You can like fill it in whatever the color that you wish. So for example, you can go for more colors and select color from here. Like this. Okay. මේ විදියට ඔයාට ඕන විදියට gradient color එකක් fill කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. Okay, the shape can be filled using a gradient color as well. So that is now just the image. Okay, so මේ shape එක select කරන්න. So you once after you selected the shape, you will be able to see something like this. So format shape එකේ shape option එකට යන්න. Okay, not the text option. Text option එකට ගියාම you will be able to see whatever that is related to the text. Now text also can be, now you can give effects to the text. Okay, instead of going here to the home tab එකට යනවට වඩා ඔයාට පුළුවන් මේ text option එකටම ගිහින් text එකට color එකක් fill කරන්න පුළුවන් මෙතනින්. Okay, දැන් හිතන්නකෝ මං yellow color එකේ text එක fill කරනවා කියලා. Here you can see. And then what you can do, you can increase the transparency and other stuffs you can be done. Gradient color එකේ fill කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා හිතමුකෝ. text එක gradient color එකේ වුණත් ඔයාට fill කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Again, you can do whatever you want through this. No fill කරලා දුන්නාම there won't be any filling colors. Am I clear? I'll keep it as white. And then you can apply effects as well. To what? To the text. Okay, through here also you can apply the effects. If not, you can go here in format shapes as well. Text option කියලා එකක් තියෙනව නේද? ඒකෙන් ඔයාට text එකට option මේ shadings, shadow එහෙම එකක්ම add කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Now let's get back to the shape option. Shape option එකේ දැන් මම ඔයාලට කියලා දුන්නේ මේ gradient fill කියන්නේ මොනවද කියලා. Picture fill කියන්නේ picture එකක් fill කරන එක, gradient fill කියන්නේ gradient color එකක් fill කරන එක, solid කියන්නේ නිකන් solid color එකක්. No fill කියන්නේ there won't be any filling colors. But when you get back to the pattern fill, ඔයාට මේ වගේ patterns තියෙනවා. You can fill it out using each one of these patterns. Okay, like this. ඔයාට ඕන pattern එකක් select කරලා fill කරගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාගේ shape එක. Am I clear? This is clear? Okay, foreground color එක change කරන්න පුළුවන්, background color, everything can be changed, and then you can use this thing. The format shape can be used just to adjust the things and all. Okay, so here this is how you do it, filling the gradient or pattern filling or picture filling, whatever you do, you have to do it through this. Okay, format picture එකෙන් ගිහින් ඔයාට කරන්න පුළුවන්. Then මම මේක gradient fill එකේ තියන්නම්, and let's go to the format again. Here shape fill එකේ තමයි අපි ඉන්නේ නේද? So we are in the shape fill. So you know how to add a picture. The picture can be added through this as well. If not, you can go in the format shape also, you can do it නේද? Gradient shape එකේ more gradient කියන එක click කරාම තමයි you got this format shape නේද? ඒ වගේම textures is also the same. Here you can fill it with these textures. See, මේ වගේ texture එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා fill කරන්න පුළුවන් shape එක. Okay, again I'll go to the texture, and here fish kind of thing. Textures, more textures has been given. You can select more textures, water drops වගේ තියෙනවා. So likewise, they have given few options where you can fill the shape with whatever you want. Even it could be a gradient color, even it could be an image, even it could be a picture, even it could be a solid color, even it could be a pattern, even it could be a texture. Understood? ඔයාට ඕන එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා මේ විදිහට shape එක fill කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Understood? Now let's move to the shape outline එක. Outline එක කොහොමද add කරන්න කියලා බලමු. ඉතින් හිතන්නකෝ මම මෙතන outline එකක් දෙන්නම් red color border එකක් විදියට. So here I have given the border, and then with white weight එක අපි increase කරමු into 6 pt. Okay, something like this. And then you will be able to see, you can go to the more color options to select a color. Here you can select colors from here, pick okay, then it will get applied. Okay, ඔයාට ඕන විදියට මේ විදියට more colors එකට යන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් මෙතන select කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් weight එක ඔයාට change කරන්න පුළුවන්. Dashes, again dashes එකේ here dotted the නැත්නම් මේ වගේ border එකක්ද, how you wanted to have the lines can be added through here. So those are the sections which has been given under the weight. Am I clear? Even if you go to here to the more weight එකට ගියාම more lines කියලා එකක් තියෙනවනේ. When you click on it, again you will get the format painter for the shape. So here you can select line එක මොනවාද, line fill එක මොනවාද කරන්න ඕනේ. මේක line fill එකනේ. Line fill එක නැතුව you have but line fill එක මේක, fill එක මේක, line එක මේක, fill එක මේක. For fill එකෙන් ඔයාට පුළුවන් එතුල fill කරන්න. Line එකකින් ඔයාට පුළුවන් line border line එක fill කරන්න. Here you can select the color. Even the fill, this also can be given in gradient. See, I'll apply gradient color to the border. We'll apply something like this from dark more color එකට යන්න. And we'll select green. A dark green. We have a dark green. It's slowly shading into something like light green. something like this. So we can make that as white. තේරුණාද මේ විදියට ඔයාලට border එකට උනත් gradient colors apply කරන්න පුළුවන්. I hope it is clear. You can adjust now as you want. Is this is clear? The border shape outline එක තේරුණාද? Shape fill එක හරි shape outline එක තේරුණාද? Everyone වැළඟිච්චා shape outline ன்னு சொன்னா என்ன shape outline எப்படி
Yes,
apply
miss.
பண்றேன்னு? Everyone? Yeah, very good. So then we have the shape effect, again the same thing. Again, it is same as which we did to the picture. Here they have given few presets, okay? Here like this. So you can apply to the shape, you can apply presets. Not you can apply shadow. Shadow apply karanna puluwang, make it inner shadow, outer shadow, drop shadow, okay? Everything has been given here. Drop shadow dunama, you will be able to see something like this. Shadow eka. Sorry. Glow, soft edge, you have soft edge. Soft edge එක මෙතන වැඩ කරන්නේ since we have added presets. You can't add all these effects for one shape itself. Okay, එකම shape එකට හැම එකක්ම add කරන්න බෑ. Now for this shape, we'll select the star shape now. Okay? දැනට මම star shape එක ගන්නම්. අරන් let's fill a color for it. And then now in the shape effect, soft edge එකට ගියාම here as you can see, soft edge කියන්නේ මේකට. Is this is clear? Something like this is known as soft edge. බලන්න මම ඔයාලට effect එකක් හදලා පෙන්නන්න මේකෙන්. I'll do a small effect and show you. We'll keep the star over here, make it smaller, and then transparency එක ටිකක් වැඩි කරමු, and then we'll fill the color in white. The line fill color, solid color, fill it in white like this. Okay, තේරුණාද මේක? Okay, so soft edge එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ ඒකට. Okay, shape effect එක, shape effect එකේ you can apply whatever the effect that you wanted to add to your shape. That is what which has been given under this section. So shape fill එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ මොන එකද fill වෙන්න ඕනේ. එක්ක image එකක් fill කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් gradient color එකක් fill කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් no fill දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Picture or texture fill කරන්න පුළුවන්. Patterns, isn't it? You can fill patterns, or else they have given textures fill karanna puluwang, isn't it? So all this can be filled out. All this can be used to fill out a shape, and then you can fill the lines as well. Line එකත් ඔයාලට fill කරන්න පුළුවන්. No line, solid line, gradient line කියලා තුනම තියෙනවා. So that can be done using this. ඒ වගේම word art style එක අපි බලමු. දැනට මම මේක delete කරන්නම්. Word art style එක. So for that what you do is, we'll keep it as this is. And then now I have selected. Now inside the shape, what you have inside the shape, when you select the shape, what you have is, you have text neither. May text art word art style කියලා එකක් තියෙනවනේ. Word art style එකට ගියාම you can apply whatever the word arts that you want, whatever the effect to the text. මේ විදිහට. Can you see the difference here? With the text effect can be given. And then for the text you can apply a color. මොන වගේ color එකක්ද ඕනේ කියලා ඔයාට මේකෙන් select කරලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්. And outline in what color you should have the outline. Okay, yellow color. Likewise you can apply it through here. ඒ වගේම effects එක shadow තියෙන්න ඕනේද? මේක whatever the text that you have inside the what shape will get affected through this. Okay, will get applied whatever that you do here. Like this. And then you have bevel to the text itself, and then transform කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. In transform you can add your shape in various shapes. Okay, like this. මේ වගේ මෙහෙමම දාන්න පුළුවන්. விளங்கிச்சா இது? Something like this. So I hope up to this is enough, right? Can you do practices up to here? If not, I'll teach you other stuff as well. Okay, make a ivara karamuneda. Other ivara karagattanang we can start the other stuffs to in the next class. So text direction kiyala tave kattiyana neda. In the text direction, now all these things are, this is not related to the shape. This is related to the text, whatever that you have inside the shape. விளங்கிச்சா? இப்ப நீங்க இங்க வேர்ட் ஆர்ட் இதெல்லாமே வந்து how to merge the shape and the text. You won't merge it, Puta. Why? You don't merge it. Merge means you are like if there are two columns in only in what table only you will be able to merge text. Okay. In these shapes you won't be able to merge. Okay. Merge kiyala option ekakna. நீங்க இதுல merge பண்ண மாட்டீங்க. நீங்க வந்து ஒரு டேபிள்ல தான் 2 காலம் இல்லாட்டி 2 ரோவை வந்து அப்படி merge பண்ணுவீங்க, உண்டா சேர்ப்பீங்க. பட் இதுல அப்படி உண்டா சேர்க்கறது இல்ல, சரியா? ஷேப்னா ஷேப் உள்ளுக்கு நீங்க டெக்ஸ்ட்டை வச்சுப்பீங்க. டெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து உள்ளுக்கு ஈக்கும். ஓகே, டெக்ஸ்ட் நீங்க டைப் பண்றது எந்த டெக்ஸ்ட் இருந்தாலும் அது அதுக்குள்ள ஈக்கும். So when I am giving the homework, I'll be doing it, so you will understand what am I doing. Okay, I'll do it in the same word and then I'll show you and then you will understand. Then බලන්න text direction කියලා එකක් තියෙනවනේ. direction එකේ ඔයාට පුළුවන් rotate කරන්න, ඒ වගේම horizontal ද rotate all text into 270 or 90. Likewise the directions can be given. Now if you just here rotate කරලා දෙන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාට. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් මෙතනෙම rotate කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, here on top of this, as I was explaining, here on top of the shape you have something like this, right? A rotate kind of shape, small icon. So එතන click කරලා මෙහෙම ඔයාට rotate කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. එමත් නැත්නම් text direction එකට ගිහින් ඔයාට ඒක rotate කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. text alignment එකට ගියාම center the left the right the කියලා ඔයාට alignment එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් මෙතන. Okay, so the text alignment now, if it is horizontal, here middle, top, between, likewise you can give the text alignment as well to the text. Now I have just added this shape, right? So assume that you have like normal text එකක් කියලා text alignment එක middle the top දෙන්න ඕනේද? top කියලා දුන්නාම top එකට එනවා. එමත් නැත්නම් bottom කියලා දුන්නාම bottom එකට එනවා මේ විදිහට. Understood? So your text can be like added, like you can align the text wherever you want. Create a link, it is now not needed. Okay, link creating is late, I'll teach you. And then position, again the position for the shape මේකත් ඒ වගේම text position අපි අර image එකට දුන්න විදියටම තමයි මේකත් එහෙම අපි දෙන්නේ. I'll just resize the image and then see. So here you can give the position like this, or this, the same. Okay, page එකේ ඔයාට කොතනද මේ shape එක තියෙන්න ඕන කියලා you can position the shape. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now rep text is also the same. Now rep text එකේ ඔයා ගිහින් square rep text එක දුන්නා බලන්න square shape එකෙන්ම මේක apply වෙලා තියෙනවා බලන්න. Here it has been, the text is in the square shape, but when you give it like tight or through, it would turn into something like this. අර shape එකේ අර shape එකක් තියෙනනේ heart shape එක විදියටම text එකක් එනවා like this. Top and bottom there won't be any text. Behind the text the shape will go behind. In front of it the shape will come in front of the text. So text tab එක තේරුණානේ? Wrap text කියන එක. You understood it, right? Everyone, position and tab stack and bring forward is also the same. Assume that now we have this shape on bottom of this. We'll keep it, we'll turn it into black. Now if you wanted to bring this one forward, the happy shape forward, then you have to click on it, then it will come forward. If you wanted to send it back, forward, back. Okay, and alignment is also the same. You can align whether it should be in the left side, or whether should it be in the center, or whether it should be in the right side. Okay, alignment කොහෙද මේක තියෙන්න ඕනේ, එංග இது வந்து ඊක වෙනවා, align ආවි ඊක වෙනවා. rotate කරන්න පුළුවන්, flip horizontal, vertical, rotate left side, right. Is it clear? ඉන්නේ වැලඟිචා உங்களுக்கு இதெல்லாம். And then the size, even you can increase the size, the height can be increased, the width can be increased. Ahalam uyaram rendume enikala increase decrease pannalam. Like this. That's it. I hope this is clear. Therunane meka? Clear? Is this is clear, Buddha? Up to this? Now you guys know how to insert an image and to do formatting for the image, and you know how to insert a shape and to do formatting for the shape as well, isn't it? Then අපි මේක මෙහෙමම තියලා ඔයාලගේ homework එක බලමු. කොහමද දැන් ඔයාලා homework එක කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා මම කියලා දෙන්නම්. So what I want you to do is I want you to create a folder or else a document. My new document එකක් create කරන්න. In the document I'll delete everything, so you will have a blank page like this. First thing, I want you to insert a cover page. Cover page එකක් අනිවාර්යෙන් insert කරන්න. So I'll just show you how you do it. So assume that this is the cover page. මේක තමයි ඔයාගේ cover page කියලා කියමුකෝ. Then year and all you can add. Year you can edit. Today's year. And then come below here. Homework 2 neda. Today is homework 2. So just type homework. Type karanna, and then your name. So I'll just type my name. You have to type your name, and then මෙතන Microsoft Office package කියලා type කරගත්තා නම් හරි. Office package, something like that. So this is how you have to insert what? A cover page. And then I want you to insert a table. Okay, table එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ with 3 columns and 4 rows. And I want you to apply a good theme for it. And then border apply karana tone. Old border then. Select, go to this all border. Okay, so inserted the table as well. Now here you have to type the car name, the image, and then description කියලා මොනාරේ ඒක ගැන. Okay, so here you can just add Lamborghini and Jaguar, BMW, things like that. And you just I want you to insert images inside these columns. Okay, mang insert karanna. Type the cars names. Okay, keep this here, select this, go to the layout, keep it in the center. Okay, මේ වගේ images හැම එකක්ම center තියෙන්න. වගේම මේක increase කරන්න ඕනේ නම් you can go here to the home and then increase it. If you wanted to change the color, you can do it. I want you to type the names of the cars, and relevant car images should be in these columns or else cells. And monari description එක monari එකක් type කරන්න. Like this is the most fastest car. ඒ වගේ monari එකක් නිකන් description එකක් add කරන්න. So that should be in one page. And I want you to insert another blank page. Okay, blank page තව එකක් insert කරන්න. මේකේ මොනවාද කරන්න ඕනේ නම් I want you to type things like this. Okay, paragraphs ටිකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? paragraph මොනාරි එකක් type කරන්න පුළුවන්. And then I want you to add the heading as well. Heading එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Heading. Right. Write a heading. Okay, and we'll keep it in the center. And then apply, increase the size of it. And then effect එකක් apply කරන්න ඕනේ නම් ඒකත් කරන්න පුළුවන් like this. And then you have to have a paragraph like this. that has to be justified. The paragraph should be justified like this. Okay, justify කියන්නේ දන්නවනේ. And I want you to insert image. Okay, assume that I have inserted this image. So I will increase it. It should be positioned to the top left. Like this. It should be like this. And then you can even remove the background. That is up to you. Adjustment and other stuffs you can do. Picture style එකකින් border එකක් apply කරනවා නම් ඒ ඔක්කොම ඔයාලට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so it's something like this. And again, what I want you to do is, this is in the second page. Then third page should be there, another page should be inserted. In this page, what I want you to do is, in the third page, I want you to insert a shape. A shape like this. It should be filled using a picture. I'll just select one picture from my desktop. You can insert whatever the image you want, okay, whatever the picture you want. Okay, I'll select this for now. Okay, it should be something like this. Okay, and the border outline should be in what? More lines gradient outline. Okay, line should be in gradient. I want you to apply a gradient outline. The color, you can select the color and apply a now we have to increase the size, the width of it. Now I'm teaching the same thing. This is what you have to do at homework, okay, as the homework. And then I want you to type something like mang happy කියලා මෙතන type කරන්නම්කෝ කියලා text එකක් තියෙනවා. That text has to be, the size has to be increased. And come back here to the format. And word art එකේ ආට පුළුවන් මේ වගේ text effect එකක් apply කරන්න. පස්සේ ඔයාට පුළුවන් colors මොනාරි change කරනවා නම් ඒකත් එඩ් කරන්න පුළුවන්. And then here in the text effect transform එකට ගිහින් I wanted to add a transform like this, something whatever you like. Okay, I'll just keep it as this. Am I clear? This is clear up to here? So this is what you have to do as your homework. At the cover page, there you have to add your name and then saying homework, that is the title. And then you have to have a table where you should type the names of the car, images of the cars, and then description about the car, that has to be in the table. Again, a paragraph with that image. Okay, එකට උඩින් මේ වගේ heading එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒ වගේම මේ වගේ shape එකක් add කරන්න. ඒකට border එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. ඇතුලේ text එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. You have to do whatever that I have done. So this is what you have to do. Yeah, you can write whatever you want with the car and for example only I gave it as car. கார்ந்து தேவையில்ல உங்களுக்கு அப்படின்னா வேற ஏதாச்சும் ரிலேட்டடாகவும் செய்யலாம்.
இந்த PDF வந்து குரூப் அனுப்புவீங்க இந்த மாதிரி
நான் குரூப்ல இல்ல சன். நீங்க ரெக்கார்டிங்ஸை பார்த்து தான் எனக்கு கேட்கும். இல்லாட்டி நீங்க இப்ப நீங்க சும்மா எழுதி கொண்டீங்கன்னாலும் சரி. ஓகே, உங்களோட புக்ல நீங்க இதுதான் செய்யணும் அப்படின்னு எழுதி கொண்டீங்கன்னாலும் சரி. Why is that, Buddha? Shafka? My word options are blurred. I can't work. Click on. Why is that? In your computer or your phone? Is it your computer? Why? How come? Blurred means I didn't get you. Is the screen blurred or the software?
No, miss. The
Then?
letters, all the letters and now the letters, the ribbon bar, the words, everything are blurred.
How come, dear?
I don't know, miss. In phone also the same thing, in laptop also the same thing.
That means all the softwares are blurred or only word is
No,
blurred?
only word is blurred.
Why is that? Maybe
I
sometimes.
couldn't do anything for that.
When did you install it, Putta, into your computer?
Now it's about 2 months ago. It worked well. Now recently, now I started. Now for a long time I didn't work with it. Now recently you gave homework, right?
Yeah.
While starting it, it was fully blurred. After that I downloaded in phone. Phone also same thing. Why is that, miss?
It's blurred, or if not, you
Blurred
want.
means then now I'll tell you example, miss. Now that copy, that cut, copy, all
Yeah.
those words are there. The
Yeah.
bold, italic, all those are blurred.
Blurred means you won't be like you cannot
The
see that.
lightly, the now in this screen the cut copy is in light way, right?
Yeah.
Like that. It shows like that. I couldn't click it.
Like it is disabled. You mean?
Yeah.
So all the files, like even the text
All.
and everything. Yeah.
Everything. All the
Everything
things
disabled.
in the ribbon bar.
Putta, did you check when you're doing, maybe sometimes enable editing, something comes like that. Okay, so please check. If you see something like that, please click on is there would be an option called enable editing. So you have to enable it, then only it will allow you to do the stuffs.
Is it there in setting or miss?
So even soon after you open the software or else the Word document itself, it will show you something like that. If not, what you have to do is you might need to go to the views or else in the settings you might need to do it. Settings you might need to go to the operations and you might need to do the modification. Here in the file there is an option called operation, right, Putta?
Yeah.
Here you might need to enable live preview. So you might need to do the modification over here. So
in
just
Word
please
setting, right?
Yeah, Word, go to the Word. Okay, in Word, Putta, you have this file section, right? Under the file, there is an option called Putta options. Okay. Click on it, then another window will get open. So here display option has been given here. Here sometimes you might have like some like tick boxes might have not been ticked out or something. So please check it out. Okay. General and all. Okay. So maybe sometimes there could be a problem with the operation options. Maybe. Okay.
I'll try that. Thank you, miss.
Okay, fine, Putta. So the homework is clear, right? So I want all of you now, you can't come and tell me that I don't have that and this, or I'm not in the last class and that and this. Okay, just please do the homework. If you do the work only, you will understand the tools, because even now if you are using a software like WhatsApp or else Zoom or whatever it is, Putta, if you don't if you don't know the tools, if you don't know how to use it, then you might need to take the software to a person who knows it, right? The same applies here as well. So if you now I am teaching you the tools, these are the tools that is there in the software. This is just a software, you are learning just the software. Okay, so these are the tools that is available. You just give it a try. That's what I am teaching. Okay, just do the things. Now even if you do the homework, you will understand all the tools. Okay, that is why I have given all these three things to be done, all the four things, right? Inserting the page, cover page, and inserting table, inserting images, inserting shape. So do all the things and come to the next class. We'll have a discussion in the next class. Hope you got the things. You hope you understood everything. If you don't understand anything or if you have any questions regarding Word, you can ask me. I am not doing any freelancing classes here, Puta. I am doing it in here in Gampala. It's in one college. I go there. So I teach freelancing there. But in Gatwick, I don't do that. No, not in online, Puta. Sorry, yeah. Okay, then. Any other doubts? Any other questions? If you have any, you can ask me. If not, we can wind up the session. Okay, then we'll wind up the session. We'll meet up in the next session. Okay. See you guys. Bye.